How to fix WhatsApp date is inaccurate. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix WhatsApp date is inaccurate issue. The first thing you want to do is close WhatsApp and restart your device to clear any temporary glitches. Next, you want to open up your settings, then click on General Management. Now click on Date and Time. Now enable Set Automatically for both date and time and the time zone. This ensures your device uses the carrier or network values. Reboot once more and try WhatsApp again. If you're still facing this problem, you want to make sure you're using the latest version of WhatsApp. For that, head over to Play Store, search WhatsApp and tap on the update option. You also want to clear cache. For that, open up settings, then tap on apps. Now click WhatsApp, then tap on storage, then tap clear cache. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.